So Manisha is from Delhi and she's been a fashion girl. In fact, she's dabbled in quite a few professions.
I'm a recent farmer. I've been doing all kinds of things before in the space of design, in the space of craft.
So she's marrying Matthew. He's Malayali and these two are absolutely and completely in love. She says that she wants to wear a timeless, ageless piece for her wedding.
So we're calling it a Sangeetan reception, but essentially that's the day I get to wear my Indian bride outfit. The day you put on a red and gold sort of outfit that's going to mean something. When it comes to color, when it comes to textile, I want it to be traditional in some way.
We've got one out-of-the-box wedding gown that doesn't exist and one timeless lehenga that will never go out of style. Just making the impossible happen, girls. That's our job. Hello. So good to see you.
This is my first wedding shopping trip. Today I'm hoping that Divyak is going to splash me with a bit of color and he's going to push me in a few directions that I wouldn't normally select for myself.
So, Manisha, I see you have this full bride chilla kind of vibe about you. Are you a little bit stressed at all about picking this bridal outfit?
I'm really stressed that I won't pick one today.
So, should we start with something that is shake it up? Maybe give you something you haven't imagined yet?
Yes.
I'll show you. Okay, colors is something I would love for us to play around with, which is why this.
Nervous but open. Want to be trusting of the process.
Okay.
Let's get into it.
You know, Manisha,
Peacock blue is such a good color that would look good on you, which you never wear. I know that you're more of a single color sort of girl.
Yeah.
But it's a nice change.
I love the colors.
Yeah, I was just saying
You
that
love the
blue
colours?
is
I
great.
love the colors because you don't wear these colors.
Yeah. If you were to say yes to this, I'd be like down for it.
Okay, what do I say now? These guys are sold on it and I'm not. I think it's a solid start.
when you say start, you mean this is not the finish line for you?
I don't see, Manisha has that look on her face when she's found the correct thing. That's not there.
I don't like the contrast situation. The contrast making me look like I'm attending someone's wedding. It's making it look a bit cash. We shouldn't say yes to the first thing. I've not tried any lehengas.
There's some trepidation. This is not quite what she expected. I feel like it's going to be a little bit of a challenge convincing her to try new things.
Whoa. Whoa. I can almost hear the Shanice in my head.
Oh my God, she's looking so pretty.
Pretty great.
Love the lehenga, love the dupatta. I love the way the blouse fits because it can show your jewelry off really nicely. This belonged to my grandma. I'm so delighted to see you wear it. Oh my God, I can't believe this.
Mama.
I don't think her mother knew that Manisha was carrying this jewelry along with her. So to sort of see it on her daughter in this bridal outfit, it all sort of came together and I think the penny finally dropped कि मेरी बेटी की शादी हो रही है.
My mom gave it to me for my wedding. So yeah, it's an important piece of my family's history which has gone to her. And seeing her in that has really brought back memories.
Mom, I feel like it's the one. I'm very close to saying yes. I like the vertical stripe. I feel like it's making me look taller. I love all the fabric. I like the neckline. Amazing color. I'm just like wondering if most of the photos are going to be like this much. And then the main lehenga is down there. Should we just try one more?
For me, it checks most of the boxes. 90% or 99% of the boxes. Last box being Manisha's okay.
Okay, so we're not saying no or yes just yet.
Yeah.
We're saying one more and then deciding.
This is going to be a long day.
How are you feeling looking at this one?
I like it overall. I'm worried if the blouse will fit me, like my body type. Again, I'm worried if this line will stunt my height because I'm already quite small.
I'm taking very careful notes of that because I completely understand. I think you need to be able to see a garment fit you perfectly. That's the only time you'll sort of have that light bulb moment that this is the one for me, right? So I've got you. We're gonna figure this out, and let's now put you into this.
The outfit he was showing me had beautiful piping on the blouse, but you know, when those things don't fit well, they can end up looking really wrong. I was feeling very insecure about it.
Kheti badi kar ke, Manisha has kind of, forgotten what it's like to be dolled up and glammed up. So I've recreated a lot of the old school elements that I love to see in brides. Manisha, please take a look at yourself.
Oh, the hair.
Oh, wow. Oh, this is such a difficult choice. I mean, the outfit is amazing. I can't believe it's me. So I turn around. I'm absolutely shocked. An outfit I thought I would not like at all is looking stunning on me.
Does it feel like you're getting married? Is it sinking in?
Yeah, I feel like a bride. I love that there's a second color that's not taking away from the red. Is it better than two?
I feel like you're speechless, Mom.
I love the fact that it's all over. The blouse has nice detailing, not taking away at all from the jewelry or anything. Didn't think I would like anything as good as that, but I do like this better. And I say yes, 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 please.
Music to my ears.
Take it away. Like, it's a great, like, it's a perfect lehenga. I think it's taken everything from two that we loved and improved upon it.
No, I also love it. I love it. I love it. I think this is the one. It's a very difficult decision. They're both really good.
Trick that I like to do with brides when they're confused. Close your eyes for a minute. Now imagine the venue. It's your home, it's your backyard, your lovely fiancé next to you. Now turn around and look at yourself in the mirror and tell me if you feel this is how you want to look on that day.
I think we're ready for you to ask us this question.
Well then, Mommy, are you saying yes to the dress?
Yes, yes, yes.
Sohail?
Yes, I am.
Manisha, my gorgeous girl, are you saying yes to the dress?
I'm saying yes.
I was extremely thrilled that she's opting for something that's a little bit more elaborate than her usual. Makes me feel like I've inched her towards the right decision. I think you're a very lucky girl to be wearing this gorgeous outfit. Congratulations.
Thank you. I am lucky.